I'm here with Neil Davidson, who is Managing Director for Genesis Technologies in the UK. Genesis Technologies is the name, well, I guess I shouldn't even basically mention it, well, TW Marketing, which has been known to our readers and viewers for some time. The name changed, but fundamentally the philosophy has remained the same. Maybe you can give us a little bit why you've done that to make it sort of homogeneous throughout all of Europe now.
So you've hit the nail on the head there, Bob. The name has changed, the philosophy has remained exactly the same. What we've done is we've taken the branding that's worked extremely well for us in many of the other territories in Europe, and we've decided that this is the correct way for us to go ahead in the UK as well. That's what we're going to do from now on. The name changes, everything else stays the same.
So it's premium technology for custom installers. Now the cat's out of the bag, it's on the web, so everyone will know. But what they don't know yet is you've added, since we saw each other back at ISE, you've added a couple of new brands. So maybe you can elaborate on what you've been doing over the last couple of months.
Sure, we've added a couple of fantastic new brands, Bob. The main things that we've been looking to do is not replace any of our key brands, but find some things that help the installer with the projects that they're doing. So the first example of that would be the wonderful product Green Glue that you see behind you there. Yeah. A fantastic name for the product. Not really a glue, but never mind. What Green Glue does is it's a sound isolation product. Now, many installers face a problem where they install a cinema like the one that we're standing in here. Extremely loud, high volume when it's being used, but the last thing the customer wants to do is have the sound transfer through the rest of his house to wake up his kids and annoy his wife, so we don't want to have that. So what he can do is he can use Green Glue to isolate the sound and keep that in the room so that it doesn't transfer out again. It's very cheap and it's very easy to use, and our installers love it.
Okay, we're standing on some wonderful carpet. We can't really show that on the web, but this is also custom designed carpet. So maybe you can elaborate a little bit on that. That's really sexy. You get wonderful. You get everybody's logo here.
Yep. So premium technology for custom install. People don't necessarily think of carpet when they think of that. The carpet that we're standing on, and unfortunately the viewers can't share in this, is a 25mm pure wool carpet. Absolutely fantastic. And as you said, we get these carpets custom made for every project. So what that means is any design, any logos, any motifs that the installer's clients would want to have, we can offer that. Now for the installers that's fantastic because it takes some of the decisions back from the interior designer, gives them a bit more control over the performance, and the clients love it. So the carpet again is a fantastic product.
Well, maybe you give us a quick overview of the other brands so that we will save the best for last. How's that?
Okay, we'll save the best for last. So the first brand here, something that viewers will have seen before, is the DNP Supernova Epic screen. A wonderful curved screen shown here in 2.4 aspect ratio rather than 2.35. The screen is sitting in an Aerial Acoustics System 1 speaker system, which has been entertaining the entire hall for the 3 days that we've been here. I'm sure we're popular guys for that. Also, just above the head of our cameraman there, we have the DNP. We have the digital projection Titan 1080p projector, a wonderful projector which has given us this fantastic image despite the level of light that we have in the hall. Then over in our rack, of course, we have our main event for this show, a new product from Dolby. It's called the Dolby Lake processor. Now, what the Dolby Lake processor allows us to do, Bob, it's an EQ system. It allows us to time align all of the speakers. It allows us to set the levels, and it allows us to do a fantastic equalization on there. Now, for our customers, that means that the systems are going to be much, much better sounding when they use that. But also because we really want to make sure that the clients get the best experience possible from a system like that, one of our engineers actually comes on site for our Dolby Lake installs and calibrates the whole thing. And typically that can take up to 2 days to do. That's something that we make sure is done properly for everyone.
Well, that you do internally, but the training programs you continue to run for all of your clients, right?
Yep, the training programs are still going fantastically well for us. There's some news on the training as well. That's actually also going under a different company. So you'll be hearing a little bit more about PICS, so there's a little exclusive for Cine Now viewers. The ISF training continues apace, but we're pleased to be working much more closely now with Jerry LeMay of the HAA, and we hope to be announcing one of the first HAA courses in Europe over the next couple of months. So again, another exclusive and some fantastic news.
You got fantastic news. It's good to see you. You're smiling. You're not. There's no market recession for you.
No market recession for us, Bob.
Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you.
See you again very soon.
And we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.